ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ SAI ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿನಾಕಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹೇಶ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜು ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದ 2025-26ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿಜೇತ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಒಲಿದು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯಾಗಿಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ದತ್ತವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಪಟ್ಟರು. ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ. ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗ ಮತ್ತು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಾಧನೆ ನಮ್ಮದಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಸುವ ಅಥವಾ ಓಲೈಸುವ ಗೋಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಶೈಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ದೊರಕಬೇಕಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ದೊರಕಿಯೇ ತೀರುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ತುಂಬಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ CM ರಾಜಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಸುಧಾಕರನ್, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ GL ಕುಮಾರಪ್ಪ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು.
Dear students, of late, couple of days before, I was passing by your college and I was wondering, this looks very small building, but when I entered and I saw you all, I was wrong. And it's very rare to see a good gathering in sports. Why? Because sports is always the last period. Last option, sports. When you don't want to do anything, sports. So, after seeing your founder, sir, I understood how fit he is. That's the reason he's making so much importance for sports. So you're very lucky to have a person like him. And there is something that Kumar Swami sir started his career with me. So when first day I met him, I could see his energy. And that energy is what I see right now. So again, you guys are very lucky. Now, I am a software engineer by profession. I worked in Canada for 5 years. But in this 5 years, even though I have a record of working 21 hours in that office, something was missing. What was missing? Doing something for the country. So I gave up everything. I came back to India. Then at the age of 33, I started shooting. And at the age of 40, I played Olympic. So, shooting is one sport where there is no age bar. Even today, if your founder sir wants to shoot, he is very most welcome, including with your principal and staff. You can try your hands on shooting. It's right behind you. Sports Authority of India has a fantastic shooting range. You're all most welcome to come and try your hands. And as far as the students are concerned, earlier there was no scope, there was no future for sportsmen. But now things have changed. There's a lot of encouragement, a lot of career growth in sports alone. So I'm a certified sports psychologist from IIM Madras, and there's a lot of requirement of sports psychologists and good coaches. I'm also pursuing my master's in high performance coaching. When I was doing these courses, one thing I realized, it's nothing great, it's nothing difficult or nothing out of this world. It is all that what we do and how we do. What matters is how we do. So, okay, I'm not a politician to give you speech and quote some excellent sentences, but all I can do is, I have 2 to 3 instances which changed my perception on life. I would like to share that. Now, my sports career started with a challenge. Challenging yourself, challenged by others, it depends on what attitude you have. So, my father is a national level medalist in shooting, and so one day he was training. I was too much into motorbike rallies. I'm a badminton player. I was selected for division in cricket. So I was wondering what kind of a sport is this shooting. So you just lay down and you shoot at the target. So I made fun of him. Now, in return, he challenged me. He said, "Oh, you think it's that easy? Then defeat me." I said, "Okay." I defeated him. I didn't know what is shooting. I defeated him. Then he said, "Defeating me is not a big thing. In 2 days, you have state championship. Show your medal there." I said, "Okay." 2 days later, right here in Sai, I shot. I won the gold. Now, when I won the gold, I could feel it. I could sense it. That maybe this sport is something that I can really excel. So today I'm in front of you as the only Olympian Arjun awardee from Southern State in shooting. Now, I was very good shooting. I used to do very good shooting. So my seniors who are already in the Indian team, they were appreciating me. They were like, "Hey, ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ, ತಗೋ this India t-shirt, this is for you." I'm like, "No, India jersey, ನಿನಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, you are doing excellent in shooting." I said, "No, India jersey should be acquired, not taken as a gift." That was my belief. The day I made it to the Indian team, I asked my coach, national coach, Professor Sunny Thomas was the national coach, late Professor Sunny sir. So I asked him, "Sir, it's a pride. Can I wear this right now? I'm holding the whole kit in my hand and I said, I want to wear this t-shirt with your permission." He's like, "What's wrong with you?" I'm like, "Please." He said, okay. The moment I wore the t-shirt, there was a different vibration in me. That is the power of our country. That is the power of our Indian jersey.
ಒಂದು ಈ ಸರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖುಷಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು PUC ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಡಲ್ ತಾಳ್ದಿರೋ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಯ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ